All the beautiful people. Can you see this? This is the Mangalam village. See thousands of apartments. This is the Mangalam Lake. See the fishing activity. This is the fishing. Please subscribe, share, comment, like. So please be aware of what you are eating. Make sure that they are a seafood, not fishes from these lakes. This is just a drain. Can you see the beautiful view? Please develop this lake. See how beautiful this lake. Thousands of people living here. It is so developed. People can have a healthy life. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Thank you so much.